क्या नाम है पेशेंट का?
उरिस लिंडो,
आप कहाँ से आए हो आप लोग?
शिलोंग।
शिलोंग। कितना एज है पेशेंट का? पेशेंट एज
50.
50। तो क्या हुआ था, मतलब पेशेंट का क्या हुआ था?
Actually, he's having a spine problem.
अच्छा, अभी पेशेंट कैसा है आफ्टर ऑपरेशन?
He's improving.
इज इम्प्रूविंग।
Getting better, yes.
कितना दिन हो गया, मतलब ऑपरेशन?
About to be 1 year.
टू बी 1 ईयर ऑपरेशन हुआ?
Yes, yes.
Our patient, Mr. Uris Lindo, had a problem in his cervical spine. That is a spine just in the neck. In this, he had a lot of pressure on the nerve. So he came prior, and then afterwards, due to some over physical activity and some small injuries, he injured his quad, and then again he presented to us with almost near complete paralysis. So he couldn't move his arms, he couldn't move his legs, and he was now wheelchair bound, or rather stretcher bound. So that was the case. Then we had a talk with him. We discussed the nature of the surgery and the risks and benefits, and ultimately the surgery was done. After the surgery, it's a long time slow recovery. It's a very slow recovery, but it recovered. Paralysis is something that is very difficult to get recovery from. I'm very much elated to get such a result where he is moving independently without any assistance, and then he can use his hand very rapidly. And this was the problem prior, that he could not, even after surgery, that he could not use his hand, but slowly by grace of God, these things have improved so much that he is now much better, and he can go back to his normal activities the way he used to live earlier.
Natanya dan hangni ako karum ni Dr. JD Ghosh, Ibu Sumari Pajuni. Te kalau ngomongin dalam sistem lajan dan sistem anta, dikacing sistem ni kalau ngomongin banyak supaya di dokter kamtip hai nata, aduh ba imla syu bentuk ki ya kicat astan mendring lajan lalong apa nama lajan long paralyze dari hadian ngiwan hangni nishim dawai. Ba pernah lagi mana nishim dawai. Hadin kata di dokter di advising ko ng company na surgery mo yun spine nimpa. Hadin kata benai Julai yun katway ni kunta katak direct ada ban snai. Hadin kata te masin da surgery ti lasa sini si benai. Hadin si benai ti ada black physiotherapy ni le continue baik. Hadin si benai kuntu kampat kabur macam idang cia bagi pola. Hadin itu hadin si benai dah lawan syong. Hadin ba kajing rap ting dawai bat ke physiotherapy dah lawan ya. Hadin itu di Shillong ski kada du mental dan sistem tidak hamflanyi ke bawah ya dah lawan ya baik. Dan kami ban support banyak. Tem semua lay juga ya dokter Sumar tangkatai resiko.